So we were discussing here about the economic diameter, and here I was telling you that instead of preferring the larger diameter, if we prefer the smaller diameter by uh, assuming that smaller diameter pipe, by knowing that smaller diameter pipe are less costlier, okay, याची कॉस्ट कमी आहे स्मॉलर डायमीटरची, जर आपण हा पाईप प्रिफर केला, then what is going to happen, okay, याची जी one time cost आहे purchasing cost, it is going to reduce here, but because of the smaller section of the pipe, we know that for the same discharge, we know that area is equal to discharge is equal to area into velocity. For the same discharge, this pipe will have very low velocity, but this pipe will have more velocity. Okay, कारण याचा क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया मोठा आहे, त्यामुळे याची व्हेलॉसिटी कमी होईल, या पाईपमध्ये कमी होईल, आणि या पाईपमध्ये काय होईल, याचा क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया लहान आहे आणि या ठिकाणी व्हेलॉसिटी वाढेल. ठीक आहे. सो इफ वी प्रिफर दिस स्मॉलर डायमीटर पाईप, व्हॉट इज गोइंग टू हॅपन, दिस हेड्स आर गोइंग टू इन्क्रीज बिकॉज दिस हेड्स डिपेंड्स अपॉन द व्हेलॉसिटी. ओके, म्हणजे या ठिकाणी व्हेलॉसिटी जर वाढली तर हे हेड्स वाढतील, and if this head increases, total dynamic head will increase, and if this total dynamic head increases, then the recurring cost जे आहे किंवा monthly electric bill जे आहे या ठिकाणी वाढेल. So what we should go for, which diameter we should prefer? Okay, so for that purpose we have to draw the diagram, we have to draw the graph, and from that graph we have to select such a diameter of the pipe, okay, so that the cost of capital cost of the pipe will be less, as well as the recurring cost or this maintenance cost of the that system, it will be less, and that diameter we call it as a economical diameter of the pipe, okay, or pumping main. So how we can decide which diameter is more economical as compared to the other? There will be only one diameter which will having minimum cost, and here you can see this is the graph which shows the economic diameter of the pipe. On the x-axis, you can see there is a pipe diameter, and on y-axis there is a cost. Okay, both costs are there, including that. And if the pipe diameter here increases, see here, pipe diameter जशी वाढत चाललेली आहे तशी ही कॉस्ट कमी कमी होत चाललेली आहे. Which cost? This is the pumping cost. ओके, किंवा आपण ह्याला म्हणूया इलेक्ट्रिक बिल. हे या ठिकाणी कमी होत चालले, कारण पाईपची डायमीटर जशी वाढत जाईल तसं त्यातली व्हेलॉसिटी कमी होत जाईल, आणि व्हेलॉसिटी कमी झाल्यामुळं त्या ठिकाणी टोटल डायनामिक हेड कमी होईल आणि हा पंपिंग कॉस्ट या ठिकाणी कमी होत जाईल. बरोबर आहे. सो फर्स्ट वी प्लॉट दिस कर्व. याच्यामध्ये डायमीटर वाढत गेली की या ठिकाणी पंपिंग कॉस्ट पण कमी कमी होत गेलेली आहे. डायमीटर जशी वाढत जाईल तशी पंपिंग कॉस्ट कमी होत गेली. बट व्हॉट अबाउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ द पाईप? जशी डायमीटर वाढत जाईल तशी कॉस्ट ऑफ द पाईप काय ती वाढत जाणार आहे. मग ह्याचा पण आपण एक या ठिकाणी कर्व प्लॉट केला, याचा एक कर्व प्लॉट केला, ज्या ठिकाणी हे दोन पॉईंट क्रॉस होतात. ओके, दॅट पॉईंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन इट विल गिव्ह यू हिअर द इकॉनॉमिक डायमीटर ऑफ द पाईप पंपिंग मेन. ओके, ह्या दोन्ही कर्वचा जर आपण या ठिकाणी कंबाईन केले दोन्ही कर्व, तर आपल्याला असा एक या ठिकाणी कर्व भेटतो. ओके, लाईक दिस. अँड ह्याचा जो मिनिमम पॉईंट आहे दॅट पॉईंट, त्याच्या करस्पॉन्डिंग जी डायमीटर आहे दॅट डायमीटर इज नथिंग बट इट इज इकॉनॉमिक डायमीटर फॉर दॅट पंपिंग मेन. Have everyone understood this point? Is there any doubt in this? Economic diameter of the pumping main. हा पॉइंट सगळ्यांना समजला का? Or once again I...
Oh, sir.
Okay. Is there anyone? You can raise your hand. You can ask question. Should I repeat it once again? Yes, anyone can. If you don't understood this point, I will repeat it once again. Okay, I think everyone understood this point. So I will assume this like this. So what is pumping main? Pumping this minimum economic diameter of the pumping main म्हणजे काय? अशी डायमीटर ज्यामध्ये आपल्याला कमीत कमी त्या ठिकाणी कॉस्ट आपल्याला भेटते. आता ही जी कॉस्ट आहे दिस कॉस्ट इन्क्लूड pumping cost also as well as दिस पाईप कॉस्ट. या दोन्हीची ऍडिशन करून जी कॉस्ट आहे त्याचा हा कर्व या ठिकाणी आपल्याला भेटतो. म्हणजे याच्यापेक्षा जर आपण कमी डायमीटरचा पाईप या ठिकाणी प्रिफर केला, इफ वी प्रिफर द पाईप हॅव्हिंग लेस डायमीटर दॅन दिस, दिस विल नॉट बी ऑल्सो इकॉनॉमिकल. ओके, याची कॉस्ट जी आहे ती कमी होईल. द कॉस्ट ऑफ द पाईप विल बी लेस. हिअर यू कॅन सी कम्पेअर दिस कॉस्ट हिअर. या डायमीटरचा पाईप म्हणजे जास्त डायमीटरचा पाईप याची कॉस्ट जास्त आहे, कमी डायमीटरचा पाईप याची कॉस्ट कमी आहे. बट what is going to happen? The pumping cost is going to increase. See the pumping cost here. Pumping cost या डायमीटर पाईपची पंपिंग कॉस्ट ही काय झाली या ठिकाणी एवढी आहे आणि या डायमीटरच्या पाईपची कॉस्ट एवढी आहे. ओके, सो या दोन्हीचं जर आपण ऍडिशन केली तर ती कॉस्ट जी आपल्याला मिनिमम कॉस्ट जी भेटते ज्या डायमीटरला भेटते, that diameter we call that diameter as a economic diameter of the pipe. Okay, so this was the theory part about this. Now here we will solve one or two problems based upon this. There is a scientist Lee who has given an empirical formula to find out the economical diameter of the pipe. Okay, the scientist Lee, he has given empirical formula. Okay, so write down this formula in your notebook. First of all, write down the title, economic diameter of the pipe. Or economic diameter of the pumping main. Then you should draw this curve, this graph. Draw this curve, these graphs. And tell me after you finish. I will take your attendance.
This meeting is being recorded.
Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Then write down this formula. This scientist, engineer Lee, he has given an empirical formula for calculation of economic diameter of pumping main, and the equation is D is equal to small a under root Q, where D is equal to diameter of the pipe, Q is equal to discharge through the pipe or through the pump in meter cube per second, and small a is constant ranging from 0.97 to 1.22, and the common value can be taken as 1.2. Is it over?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we will now solve small two problems based upon this formula. Okay, write on the problem. Flow through a pumping main is 1.2 meter cube per second. 1.2 meter cube per second. Find out economic diameter. Find out economical diameter. Assume its value of small a is equal to 1.2. Assume value of small a is equal to 1.2. So first of all, write down given q is equal to 1.2 meter cube per second and a is equal to 1.2, and using write down the equation, Lee equation, d is equal to a into under root of small capital Q, and put that value of a 1.2 into under root of discharge is 1.2, and find out the diameter of pumping main. I think you have got that answer for the first problem. D is equal to 1.314. Now, next problem, we have to solve it by yourself and put your answers in the chat box. Okay, write on the problem. Compute the economic diameter of a pumping main. Compute the economic diameter of the pumping main. If the discharge to be conveyed is 8,10,000 LPH, take A is equal to 1.2. Take A is equal to 1.2. See here, you need to do the conversion here. Discharge is in LPH, we have to convert that in meter cube per second. To convert that liter in meter cube, what we have to do? Should we multiply or should we divide by 1000?
Divide.
Correct. And then convert that hour to per second. What we have to do? Okay, first convert that liter to meter cube. So you will get that 810 meter cube per hour. That is charge. And then second step, you can do the conversion of meter cube power to meter cube per second. So to do that conversion, hour to second, what we have to do? Yes, anyone?
Divide by 3,600.
Correct. So we have to divide it by 3,600 because in 1 hour we have the 60 minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 60 into 60 seconds, it will become 3600 seconds. Put that values in the formula and find out the answer. And put your answers in the chat box. Okay, Harshada has got the answer 0.569 meter. What about others? We'll check the answer after a minute. Okay, Kshitij also has got the same answer. Rutuja also got the same. Okay, so many students have got the same answers. Let me check the answers for this question. Correct. So D is equal to 0.569 meter is the correct answer here. So now we are going to stop here. I have sent you the link for the MCQ test based upon the unit number 3. Okay. So within this next 1 hour, you have to attempt that MCQ test. Now you can leave the session. Thank you.